where we share some yummy no-cook recipes. So children, is your tummy talking about chocolates? Yes, I can hear it saying chocolates. So today, let us make a yummy chocolatey no-cook recipe. So for that, we need some chocolate cake, whipped cream, butter, some sprinkles and melted chocolate. So first, we are going to take the chocolate cake in a big bowl and crumble it. Now with the help of a spoon, we are going to crumble the cake. We'll make a very nice powder. Children, for more such videos, you can check out our series and please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Okay, so our powder dust is ready. Now to this we are going to add some whipped cream. We'll add a little at a time and we'll also add some salted butter. Now we are going to mix it well to make a dough out of this. Children, now our dough is ready. Now we are going to take a small portion of this and make chocolate balls out of this. For this we are going to use our hands. So children, before you use your hands, make sure that you have cleaned them properly. Now I am going to take a small portion and make chocolate balls out of this. We'll roll it nicely like this. We'll make some more. You can also use a cookie cutter or you can give any other shape that you want. Like this, we are going to make the chocolate balls. See children, our balls are ready. Now we are going to dip this in the melted chocolate. See, over here I have already melted the chocolate. Now I am going to just dip them. I'll coat it very nicely like this. And immediately I am going to add some sprinkles on the top of it to decorate our chocolate ball. We'll do the same with our other chocolate balls. We'll coat it nicely. You can also add the sprinkles of the chocolate chips or some silver balls, golden balls, vermicellis, whatever you like. After this, we are just going to refrigerate it for at least 15 minutes. Now it's nicely coated. We are almost done. Now I'm going to refrigerate this for 15 minutes. So children, our yummy chocolatey balls are ready. Children, they are really very delicious. Do try this at your home. Make it for yourself and share it with others. Thank you.